Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good whatever it is for you guys. I've got another video here for you guys today. This one's not as much of a tutorial as it is an explanation, because I've already done a tutorial on it. This one is over Agent Venom. Just the helmet part today. I will do the rest of the suit later on, but you may or may not recognize this helmet pattern. It is actually my Red Hood Rebirth helmet that I have modified into Agent Venom. And that's why I'm not going to do a full tutorial over Agent Venom, is because I've already done the helmet over Red Hood. I will try to link that tutorial somewhere in the video or down below so you guys can check that out if you haven't watched it already. But basically all I have done different is I didn't put the furrowed brow in there like I did with the Red Hood. If you want to, you can. It's all up to you. I also did not burn in any lines on the outside. I did, however, go ahead and put these two undercuts on there. And another modification I did was I made the eyes bigger. I drew out these eye templates, placed them over the helmet, and I traced this inner part, and then I actually cut out that part with a wood burner. You could use a really sharp X-Acto knife if you wanted. This is just 2mm craft foam, contact cemented on there. For the lenses, it is just window screen. It's about 4 layers of window screen. I used low temp hot glue to glue it all in there, and the vision in it is still really clear. It doesn't obscure the vision at all. And also, as far as sizing goes, if you guys want to purchase the patterns, about 7% either way will either upscale it or downscale it about 2 inches. So say you've got a 22-inch head, I would take it down to about 93%, and that should fit you pretty good. This one I scaled down to 95%. I've got a smaller head, and it fits me with a lot better than the other one. It could go down a little bit further, but it's not bad. Something else I might do is add a back piece to right here, maybe something that just attaches with a magnet here on the inside. I don't know yet. If I do, I will make a tutorial over that. If you guys want me to do that, comment down below. That's pretty much it for this video. I mean, of course, all I have to do is fill the seams, paint it, and it's good to go. But I hope you guys like the video. Like, comment, subscribe, share with somebody who cares. If somebody you know wants to build an Agent Venom, or if you want to show them this video. I'm also going to be having more videos along the process of the full armor. And as always, my templates will be available for purchase. You guys have a great one.